Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. Thanks for coming back to my channel. And y'all, what do you think about my hair? It looks so good. I love this kinky straight hair. So if you would like to see more, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I have so many videos for you guys. And thumbs up this video if you haven't already. Look how good this sleek middle part looks. Bomb. Then I wore up in this little top knot bun. But y'all, I'm not gonna talk too much because my voice sounds horrible. Okay, so this is April Lace Wigs, and this is their kinky straight. They call it their Yaki texture, but it's really like a kinky straight. And as you can see, that lace is tinted. That is bomb. Their knots are bleached, but I did go back and bleach, which ended up causing me to over bleach. But I ended up fixing it. You really couldn't tell. So yeah, you don't even have to bleach the knots. Don't be extra like me. But in this video, I'm showing you guys how I pretty much custom this wig, which I have done in so many different videos. So just watch and you can see how I apply my wig using Ghost Bond glue and slaying for the holidays. So y'all just keep watching and enjoy the video. Please thumbs up and subscribe again if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it because it doesn't hurt and it's free and it helped me out, you know. Hey, and did y'all peep my nails was done at the beginning of the video, and they will be done at the end of the video. But I did do my nails and I was just noticing that I didn't have on nails right here. So y'all make sure y'all click the link down below to see my nail video as well. You'll notice what I'm talking about at the end of the video. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all check out April Lace Wigs. This is a good, you know, beginner friendly wig. You just have to put in a little work and a lot of them. But this hair was pretty good. So you guys go check them out. And all right, guys, I love you and I'll see you next time. Peace out.